It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, kind of excited, we're going to open up 2020-2021 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey. But before we do that, I want to remind you of our contest. Check out the details in the description below. You could win this box of 21-22 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey, sealed. I'll ship it to you. Or this lot of cards, back at high value, over $170. 8 hits in there. Lots of good stuff. So once again, check out the details in the description below. Enter and win. Black Diamond. This product is one of my favorites, but I know that it is a topic of some consternation for some collectors out there, as I think it's overpriced. But isn't everything overpriced nowadays? Kinda is. So we're going to get 6 premium cards per box. We're, of course, going to need our great decoy for hockey cards here. So there is our lone pack. Let's see if we can open this guy without spoiling anything, because we like to be surprised. Come on, cooperate. So do this. We're going to slide this guy under there, and boom, and mildly spoiled the first card, but oh well. There we go. We've got... Oh, we definitely got some chonkers in there. There's a couple big chonkers. Let's see what we got. We're going to start off with a base card of Kevin Fiala. Now remember the LA Kings, numbered to 349. Very nice look to the base. And our next card. Oh, it is a Diamond Relic. Man, of Ryan O'Reilly. Numbered to just 5. 1 of 5. That is pretty awesome there. That's only the second card. Here's one of our chonkers here. We've got a Black Diamond Mine Relic of Zach Werenski. A little bit of a seam there, not numbered. Really like the spray of like gem colors there. And we've got a Black Diamond, I believe this is a retro, of Sidney Adult, numbered to 349. It's a really nice looking card. And then we've got, it looks like a rookie gem here. We've got Victor Soderstrom, numbered 111 of 399. For your Arizona Coyotes. And our final card is an exquisite Connor McMichael, 25th overall draft pick, numbered to 299. It's actually a really, for exquisite, that's actually kind of a low-key plain looking card. They're normally a lot crazier in design. But there you have it. That is our box of 2021 Upper Deck Black Diamond. So one interesting thing is, we did not pull an auto in there. So that is rare for Black Diamond. I don't know that we're guaranteed one, but I feel like we should be at this price point. But there you have it. Overall, I'm actually pretty happy with that box because of the Ryan O'Reilly pull out of it. But that's 2021 Upper Deck Black Diamond Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.